Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to perform a double space in Google Docs. So, without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Now, here we are in Google Docs. If you ever need to double space your text, it's actually quite easy. Just follow this simple method. The first thing you want to do is highlight the text you want to double space. Simply click and drag to select the desired portion. Once you've got your text selected, head over to the Format tab at the top. Then in the Format tab, find the option that says Line and Paragraph Spacing. Click on it. Then from here select Double. That's it. Your text is now double spaced. If you ever want to go back to the original spacing, it's just as simple. Either highlight the text again or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A to select all text. Then, go back to the Format tab, choose Line and Paragraph Spacing once more. From the options, you can select Single to revert to the default spacing. You can also select between, which 1.15 or 1.5. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to double space your text in Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. I look forward to catching you in the next tutorial. Until then. Goodbye.